Hey, you're amazing, and I got a little message for you. All right, this is a pure sales pitch. I got 3 things I want to share with you while I'm here on the beach, just vacationing here in Hawaii. All right, number 1, today is the last day to get access to the email cash machine. Basically, here's what it is in a gist. 3 emails I've found have made me over $1 million. I'm gonna share the emails with you, copy and paste, send them out yourself, make money. I'm not guaranteeing you'll make $1 million. I'm not guaranteeing you'll make more. I'm not guaranteeing you'll make less, but you will make some, because they work as long as you have at least some people or an audience to send them to. Second thing is, this is not like a dead thing. Like, I hate you go online, you buy an ebook and you just get like a PDF, or you buy some videos and they're just like pre-recorded. This is a live class. I'm teaching this tomorrow on Monday live on Zoom. So I'm gonna answer your questions, I'm gonna look at your stuff. I'm gonna teach this to you live, the whole thing. All right, all 3 emails. And the final thing really is, it's been an amazing response all this past week from Team Capital. Everyone's been investing in it and joining it. The class is going to be absolutely packed tomorrow, but today is your final chance to join us. I will not be able to send you another invite, so click the link below and get access to the email cash machine. 3 emails that made me over $1 million, well over really, as I fall in the sand. And I think that, you know, they'll do the same for you. If you're into copywriting, sales, marketing, any high income skill, being on this live class with me really is a must, because I will not be teaching it live ever again. And that's not bullshit if you know how I am. Our urgency is real. So click the link below. Hope to see you on the live class tomorrow. I'm gonna get back to the beautiful beach here in Hawaii. Peace.